Dear electrical engineers, what I bring to you this time is the application of WINSOK MOSFET in 60-volt brushless trimmer motor. The model number is WSF60120. It is N-channel DO252 package. Its VDS is 60 volt, ID is 110 ampere, and RDS is 3 million. It has extremely high cell density and provides excellent on resistance and gate charge for most synchronous spark converter applications. This MOSFET corresponds to AOD66616 and ncepower It can also be used in medical power suppliers, adapters, LED controllers, power tools, multi-stream protection boards, and so on.